Okay, in our earlier session, we have created two relationships. If you remember, one was between product lookup to AW sales, and another one was customer lookup to AW sales. Now, I have created two more relationships for this video. The first one is the calendar lookup to AW sales, and you can see if I hover over it, you can see they are connected between date from calendar lookup and order date from AW sales. Second relationship that I have created is this one, which is AW sales, AW territories lookup, and one is AW sales. So I need you to create these two relationships. Now, one thing to remember here, so whenever you are creating a relationship, you have to make sure that the the two columns from two different tables are in same data type. For an example, let's say you want to create a relationship between calendar lookup to AW sales by order date and by date. So you have to make sure that this order date is in a date data type, and same for the calendar lookup table, this date should be in a date data type. Now for this one, let's say we have the product key and we have the product key over here as well. Now in this scenario also, this product key, the data type for this product key, the data type was integer, and same here the product key is in integer. So we have to make sure that these two columns between two tables are in same data type in order to create a relationship. So that's it for this session. See you in the next lecture.